Hi guys, this is Daniel here, the innovator of GDMF Velocity Concepts, and I'm going to be doing a weekly review for this new week starting the 20th of April 2026. And this is XAU. I'm going to be analyzing XAU from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, or to the medium time frame, which is MTF per hour. So let's get it on the way. Let's go. Let's see what XAU might have for us. Initially, I actually planned something and I marked up a few things. So let's go. Let me explain it a bit. Lego to the 1 week. So from the 1 week time frame, my expectations would be for price to start making some retracements, at least. If it doesn't get to, if you check the chart, you see there's a first target, there's a second target, and there's a final target before a possible push higher. The idea behind this is that price reacted at a higher time frame fair value gap, which is a key part of my strategy. I use fair value gaps to trade. And if you have purchased my additional content, if you have access to my additional content, you would see when I said that higher time frame HGF is greater than MTF, which is mid time frame, and the mid time frame is in turn greater than the lower time frame, the LTF. The HGF is the strongest in terms of giving you a very surefire reaction or making nice money. So yeah, we had this reaction, and then normally what I would say is that if price reacts in a certain way, it's to start moving and you're expecting a reversal, to start moving in the opposite direction until it reaches a particular point. And now most people don't know what that particular point is, but I do, because of all the knowledge I've amassed over time. I was able to figure out through the people that I've learned from, and by grace of God, that price usually gets to at least the 0.5 zone on the chart on the Fib 2. So price did this. Price reacted at that fair value gap zone. So from the fair value gap zone to the high, from this swing low to this swing high, you see that price moved up in the opposite direction, because before that price sold from 55 or 5400 down to 4100. Very big drop, very big drop. So from this drop, I normally would expect that price starts moving higher, at least to 0.5 zone. Most times if I had entered from here, I'll look to take some profit at the 0.5 zone and then allow the rest to continue. If it's still bullish, I like to continue and take the previous high. So that's just it. Very simple, very easy, because of GDMF is a very simplistic strategy. So now we are at 0.5. What I am expecting for the week is that we get some sort of reaction at this 0.5. You see, the markets are algorithmic, so they move based on algorithms. The fact that price moved from here to 0.5 exactly says that this is not random. These things happen, and there's data that backs up what happens. So it's very important to pay attention to that data. You pay attention to what price does. So let's clear this up. Now I said that we're looking for a reaction to start going, and if you notice, if we're to top here on this small from this swing high to this swing low, we're to top here, or we want to start getting some retracements from this swing low to this swing high. This is 0.5, which is why I'm expecting price to at least get to this 0.5. Like finally, if he wants to really retrace, you should get to 0.5. But then this first and second target, I'm expecting it to take those two targets to clear it up before it starts going back higher. It might not get to this 0.5, it might, based on probability. So yeah, let's go down to the 1 day time frame. Excuse the use of indicator based fair value gaps. I use that because it's not my laptop, and the laptop I was using before had some issues which I've yet to fix up. So I'm using my sister's one. But yeah, let's go. So this is just very self-explanatory. This is what I'm expecting for this week. So nice retracement to at least the first target or the second target, and then finally here it might go a little bit below here, maybe starts consolidating a bit before it continues going up. Ultimately, I'm expecting that price is a bit more bullish on the higher time frame. I'm seeing that price is more bullish, so I'm expecting it to clear out this high at least. To clear out this high, and then finally to clear out this high. So yeah, very simple, very easy, very beautiful. Let's go. Let's go. So yeah, this is what's it. The weekly breakdown of what I expect to see in gold. In events whereby price doesn't really have a deep retracement, you can see something like this. Something like this. Something like this. Let's continue from here. Something like this. It just depends on how price was to do. So yeah, let's go to the MTF. I don't see any zone that can hold up price. I can hold up price except it just continues to follow a trend. I don't see anything that can hold up price and make price like continue going higher. It should at least sweep a few targets before it goes higher. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how this goes. Yes. So yeah, this is the basic idea of what I'm expecting. If we can break this, we have something like this. Something like this. And break here. We should expect something to be placed. I'll take out that's all. That's just what you see for the same English price action. But in an event whereby this does not do So yeah, this is it. We've been on this trend since So if we break this trend and agree that we'll start looking for to take these targets, if we break this trend, it's going to give us a very good indication. We can start looking for these zones that I've marked out. And that's all for our weekly breakdown analysis of what to expect for the new week. So let's go into the new week and expect to make some profits. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye.